Welcome! My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. What's your name? I'm happy to see you here. Say hello in the comments. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go. Pig. What do you see? I see a pig. I see a pink pig. On the farm. Where does a pig live? A pig lives on the farm. Cow. What do you see? I see a cow. I see a black and white cow. On the farm. Where does a cow live? A cow lives on the farm. Sheep. What do you see? I see a sheep. I see a white sheep. On the farm. Where does a sheep live? A sheep lives on the farm. What do you see? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for learning today. Post a comment or question below. Send me an audio PM of your English. I'd love to hear you. See you soon.